the importance of evidence-based research. In today's rapidly evolving world, evidence-based practice has become paramount across various fields. It ensures that decisions are not just based on intuition or tradition, but are backed by solid data and proven methodologies. From healthcare to education and beyond, decisions are increasingly driven by data and rigorous research findings. This approach helps in minimizing errors, optimizing outcomes, and ensuring that resources are used efficiently. As we strive for more effective interventions and reliable knowledge, it becomes crucial to navigate the vast sea of research effectively. Understanding and interpreting this data correctly can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and advancements. This is where the power of research synthesis comes into play. By combining results from multiple studies, we can draw more comprehensive and accurate conclusions, ultimately driving progress in various domains. Unveiling the power of synthesis, meta-analysis, and systematic reviews. Gap 5: Systematic reviews, a structured approach to knowledge synthesis. Now, let's dive into the purpose and applications of systematic reviews. These reviews are instrumental in guiding evidence-based decisions. By meticulously synthesizing existing research, they provide a comprehensive view of the available evidence, helping practitioners and policymakers make informed choices. Now, moving on to meta-analysis. This powerful statistical tool combines data from multiple studies to increase the overall statistical power. By pooling results, meta-analysis enhances the ability to detect true effects and provides more robust conclusions than individual studies alone. Finally, let's talk about the purpose and advantages of meta-analysis. It unveils the big picture by integrating findings across different studies. This approach not only identifies patterns and trends, but also resolves inconsistencies, offering a clearer and more comprehensive understanding of the research topic. Defining the research question and developing a protocol. The first step in conducting a systematic review and meta-analysis is to clearly define the research question. This involves specifying the population, intervention, comparison, and outcomes of interest. Once the research question is defined, a detailed protocol is developed to outline the methodology. This protocol serves as a roadmap for the entire review process and helps to ensure transparency and reproducibility. Casting a wide net, comprehensive literature search and screening, ensuring quality and extracting data, appraisal, selection, and preparation. The heart of meta-analysis: statistical analysis and interpretation. from analysis to dissemination, synthesizing findings, drawing conclusions, and reporting. Distinguishing features: systematic reviews versus meta-analysis. So let's dive into the differences between systematic reviews and meta-analysis. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings and purposes in the realm of research. Systematic reviews aim to comprehensively summarize all relevant studies on a particular topic. They involve a detailed and rigorous process of identifying, evaluating, and synthesizing the findings from multiple studies. They follow a structured methodology to minimize bias, ensuring that the review is as objective and reliable as possible. This process includes defining clear criteria for selecting studies, assessing the quality of the studies, and systematically extracting and analyzing the data. On the other hand, meta-analyses go a step further by statistically combining the results of several studies to provide a more precise estimate of the effect size. This involves using advanced statistical techniques to integrate the data, which can help to identify patterns and draw more robust conclusions. Essentially, all meta-analyses are based on systematic reviews, but not all systematic reviews include a meta-analysis. Meta-analyses add an extra layer of analysis, making them a powerful tool for evidence-based decision-making in various fields. Choosing the right approach, when to use each method. Elevating evidence, the power of synthesis in research. Meta-analysis and systematic reviews are like the superheroes of the research world. They have the unique ability to take a vast array of individual studies, each with their own strengths and weaknesses, and combine them to create a more powerful, comprehensive understanding. This process is akin to assembling a puzzle where each piece represents a different study, and together they form a complete picture. They take individual studies, each with their own strengths and weaknesses, and combine them to create a more powerful, comprehensive understanding. This synthesis of data helps to reveal patterns, inconsistencies, and overall trends that might not be visible in a single study. It's like having a bird's eye view of the research landscape, allowing scientists to see the bigger picture. This synthesis of data helps to reveal patterns, inconsistencies, and overall trends that might not be visible in a single study. By pooling together multiple studies, researchers can achieve more robust and reliable conclusions, ultimately leading to better informed decisions in both policy and practice. This collaborative effort not only enhances the credibility of the findings, but also ensures that the conclusions drawn are based on a broader and more diverse set of data. By pooling together multiple studies, researchers can achieve more robust and reliable conclusions, ultimately leading to better informed decisions in both policy and practice. This approach is invaluable in fields such as medicine, education, and social sciences, where evidence-based decisions can significantly impact lives and societal outcomes. The power of synthesis in research cannot be overstated. It is a cornerstone of modern scientific inquiry and progress. Beyond individual studies, the advantages of a broader perspective. Navigating the complexities, challenges inherent in synthesis research. Meta-analysis and systematic reviews can be incredibly powerful tools, but they do come with their own set of challenges. These challenges can range from the variability in study designs and quality to the potential biases in selecting studies. Additionally, the sheer volume of available research can be overwhelming, making it difficult to ensure a comprehensive and unbiased review. Addressing limitations, strategies for enhancing rigor and reliability. A case for mindfulness, demonstrating the power of synthesis in anxiety research. In recent years, numerous studies have explored the effects of mindfulness on anxiety. By synthesizing these studies through meta-analysis, researchers have been able to provide a more comprehensive understanding of how mindfulness practices can significantly reduce anxiety levels. This synthesis not only highlights the overall effectiveness, but also uncovers nuances in different populations and settings, offering valuable insights for clinical applications. Embracing the power of synthesis, a call for evidence-based practice. As we move forward, it's crucial to embrace the power of synthesis in our research endeavors. By relying on systematic reviews and meta-analyses, we can ensure that our practices are grounded in the best available evidence. This approach not only enhances the quality of our interventions, but also fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement in the field of healthcare.